I want to know if you guys are hyped first though. Are you hyped watching this video? Yes or not? Because if you're not hyped watching this video, what we're not going to do 2019 is not be hyped watching any of my videos. So I would ask you to click out and click back in when you're a little bit more hyped. Okay? Okay? Hey babes, it's your girl Oluchi, and if you are new here, I hope you like what you see and I hope you stay, alright? And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. We are growing and we are glowing, so I appreciate all of y'all for watching this video, okay? So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this yummy, scrumptious, delicious ash blonde hair. So I got this video inspiration from SOPHIOLOGY here on YouTube. I recently watched how to like color her hair ash blonde. It was a new video she dropped, so I got the inspiration because I was like, damn, I never done a color like that and I really want to. So I had like 613 hair lying around, so I was like, let me get on my grind. Okay, so I really wanted to see how it looked on me. So shout out to you, SOPHIOLOGY, for inspiring this video. So today's video, I'm using the Ali Grace hair, and I got this in the length 10 inches. This is their 613 frontal bob wig doing its thing. Okay, this hair was very like inexpensive. So inexpensive that you would probably not expect it to color, but it did so well. So yeah, I pretty much got this in got this for $82, $82, $82 ka-ching. Okay, so it was very inexpensive, and for the price you pay, honestly, I feel like you get your money's worth. Of course, does it shed? Okay, I would be lying if I said it didn't. I mean, it's $82. You can't expect this hair to be like damn, you know, you just, you know. So yes, it was a shedding here and there, but I can't come and kill myself. I can't come and die over it because I expected it, you know what I'm saying? And it's not bad. It's not like, okay, where's the hair at? The hair's still here, just minor shedding here and there. But aside from that, it took the color beautifully well. So I'm definitely giving some thumbs up to this hair for being $82, for being human hair, and for being a lace frontal. Okay, so that's all good. If you guys want to see how I achieved this hair color without further ado, without me rambling on, please keep on watching. Alright babes, if my voice sounds a little off, it's because I'm recovering from an illness, so just pray for me and God will heal me. Amen? Okay, so this lashes came with this hair, and they're so cute and voluminous. I haven't actually tried them, but they look like, you know, the real deal, okay? Not those other stuff. And I've already talked about this hair previously, 613 hair, length 10 inches, and Ali Grace. I talked about it in my intro. For my dye today, I'm using the Revlon color 3D color in the color 60. I'm also using Shimmer Light shampoo, and this is pretty much like a toner, so yes. Alright, so first things first, I'm getting my hair out, washing it, okay, putting some water on it. And then I'm going to hop into the Shimmer Lights shampoo. So this is a toner, like I said earlier, and what it's going to do is just kind of take away some of those, like the yellow orangey color from the hair. So you can either apply it the way that I'm doing it, where I'm like, you know, just massaging it through the hair with my fingers, or watercolor method that's been going around, just kind of putting the shampoo in there with some hot water and then just dipping the hair. That way it would like spread more evenly, I believe, because this one I kind of had to like just kind of eyeball it and keep applying it wherever I felt like it hadn't toned yet. After I put like the shampoo, it really seemed like this hair was like ash blonde. So I was tempted to leave it like this. However, like I said, I was inspired by SOPHIOLOGY, and she had an extra step, so I wanted to also see how, you know, like just following the method that she used would bring like how my hair would look with that particular method. So I ended up just washing out the shampoo, of course, and then I went into the box dye. So I'm using the Revlon 3D color
with ammonia free, and I'm just mixing it like the packet says. I didn't put on any gloves, you guys. I don't know if that was bad or good, but I guess it was bad because I'm dealing with chemicals, but you know, your girl is a rebel. But yes, I just mix it according to the instructions. So read your instructions, guys. I'm not here to tell you, you know, couldn't crack them, you know, like tell you all the things that you need to do, but there's an instruction, so read it, okay? So anyways, I'm shaking the mixture together, and now I'm just going to lazily just pour it all around my hair. There's no particular way that I'm doing this. I didn't put my hair on a wig cap. I just put it in the sink, girl, and now you just see me pouring it around and spreading it around with my fingers. So I pretty much only used one of this one box for this entire wig. I honestly could have been done after using half, but I didn't want to waste the rest of it, so I just like oversaturated there. And then I just wrapped it in a plastic bag and washed my hands real good because, you know, like I said, I didn't wear any gloves and I was dealing with chemicals, and your girl didn't want her hand to peel because I don't know if that's what it's gonna do. Anyways, I left it for about 30 minutes. It said about 30 minutes on the box, I believe, so I left it for that. And you guys, when I took it out, I was afraid, okay? You guys can see how this hair is looking all like, I could see like gray and ash, and I did not see any blonde. And you guys, I'm not even gonna lie, I was like, I don't know if this is how Sophiologist turned out, but I was like, hey, you know, I'm already here, there's nothing I can do. And I was already tempted to be like, y'all, if this don't go right, I'm just gonna call this how I dye my hair gray. Because anyways, I washed it off with some Suave shampoo, and now I'm using the conditioner that came in the box dye. And then yeah, you guys can see how like silver this hair looked. I was just like, what have I done? Like, yo. But what ended up happening was I ended up drying it off with like a blow dryer, and I feel like after like it had dried off a little bit, it definitely seemed a little bit more blonde. Like you can see, like it would this portion, it wasn't fully dry, but I just took like a wand and I decided like to use like a bigger barrel and just make some loose curls, mostly in the front, just to give myself a little bit of a swoop. I didn't really show you guys how I did all of it, but yeah, just this is kind of how I ended up styling the hair, and that's pretty much it.
So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you guys learned something new like always, and I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're not already subscribed, please join my family. It would mean the world to me, plus more. And follow me on all my social media platforms, and by God's grace, I will see you in my next one. God willing. By God's grace, God willing. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like, stay beautiful, choose you, and God bless.